Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening. Rahul Gandhi today is in some deep trouble. And not that he did not see this coming, but he decided to look the other way. But let me tell you, why is Rahul Gandhi in such a trouble right now and why people are saying there is a time for him to pack up. You know, if you just look at this image right now that's playing out on your screen where you see Uddhav Thackeray, who's officially a part of Team India. He's a part of Team Rahul Gandhi. But he's not with Rahul Gandhi. He can be seen actually warmly greeting the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis. Both of them spent a good time. They exchanged smiles, niceties, flowers. And if you just look at the body language, that gives away the larger story. They're very comfortable with each other, looking, smiling towards the cameras. There's a firm handshake. So if you look at that image, that is almost identical to the time when you had the two who were together at the helm in the entire state of Maharashtra. When, you know, the Sena had not split, the NCP had not split. Just minutes after that meet, the Thackeray son, Aditya, also dropped a big hint. Now, what does he say? He says the Uddhav Sena is not the enemy of the BJP, and for the people of Maharashtra, we are willing to work together. All this is coming at a time when Priyanka Gandhi seems to be leading the charge of the grand old party in the parliament, in the Sansad, with almost a new stunt every day. But there is a vote of no confidence in Rahul Gandhi. And you need to accept this. Rahul Gandhi will also need to accept this, that there is a vote of no confidence in him by all the allies. Arvind Kejriwal, Omar Abdullah, Sharad Pawar, even his UP ke dost, Akhilesh. They were famously called the UP ke ladke. They are not together anymore. And Akhilesh Yadav has already said कि Congress khatma hai. He meant to say कि Rahul Gandhi khatma hai. And then comes the entire episode where Mamata Banerjee now has decided to say thank you. She is willing to accept the top post in the India bloc. And that is the latest move, the final nail in Rahul Gandhi's political coffin. You know, whatever brand Rahul is, that brand Rahul is all but over. Whatever the India allies was, it's all but over. Allies, one after the other, are ready to abandon the sinking political ship that Rahul Gandhi seems to be right now riding in. The critical question is, can Rahul revive his political fortunes, or will he have to make way for brand Priyanka Gandhi? Is she a bigger and a better brand than Rahul is also a question people are asking. And the critical question, Uddhav, if you look at those pictures, is he ready for a ghar wapsi?
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
So, ladies and gentlemen, what is the real game plan of Uddhav Thackeray? What is the real game plan of a Rahul Gandhi? Does he even have a game plan? I think these are interesting questions. Let's say good evening to R.P. Singh Saab, who's the national spokesperson of the BJP. Sushil Vyasji is representing the Shiv Sena Shinde faction. His very good friend Kishore Tiwari ji, who possibly is looking at a change of heart, is also joining us. He represents the Shiv Sena UBT faction. Ravi Srivastava is a political analyst. It's also a pleasure to have Sanjay Jha, who's a noted author. And like, you know, we always say that Sanjay has had no change of heart. His heart still beats for the Congress. He's fighting for the Congress. Tausif Ahmed Khan is a noted lawyer and a political analyst. Tausif, let's begin by asking you, you know, you hate Rahul Gandhi. You know that Rahul Gandhi has got all of you down. He lost the momentum that all of you picked up in the Lok Sabha elections. But you've decided to dump him. Are you okay with the Priyanka Gandhi taking center stage?
No, you see, it is really the performance that the India Alliance is considering, performance of Congress, and compare that with the Trindamul's ability to win election, and Trindamul's ability, Mamata Banerjee's ability to defeat Mr. Modi and BJP. So, and we have seen leaders like Lalu Prasad Yadav and Sharad Pawarji and so on supporting that if Mamata Banerjee has expressed her willingness to lead the alliance.
No, what happens to Priyanka? Tausif, so I understand Rahul, yes, forward. Brand Rahul has failed. But what about brand Priyanka? Is she a brand according to you?
So, Priyanka ji has joined, become the member of parliament recently. This is her first term. And we all welcome her. and in the course of time we will see how she performs.
Okay. So
She does
Sanjay,
not,
absolutely
hold any party
no vote of
portfolio,
confidence in
at
Rahul
the
Gandhi,
national level.
hardly any vote of confidence in Priyanka still. But the point is, Sanjay, how many allies need to, actually tell Rahul Gandhi that there is something wrong that you're doing? Right from a Mamata Banerjee to an Akhilesh to a Sharad Pawar to even an Uddhav Thackeray who's cocking a snook at Rahul Gandhi today, and he tells him कि सावरकर की आप जितनी बार निंदा करते हैं वो हमें हर्ट करता है. Why don't you listen to your good friend Kishore Tiwari ji? Sanjay?
Good evening, Deepthi. I need to be honest with you on your program. The Congress was expected to do the heavy lifting for the opposition in both Haryana as well as in Maharashtra. The Haryana result, I think, has percolated into a negative exponential impact in Maharashtra, as we saw. So I think if today the opposition is miffed with the Congress, that's a very understandable expression of frustration, because as you rightly said at the introduction, Deepthi, that the momentum, the tailwinds that were there with the India alliance has since dissipated, and you can see that the BJP is sounding more belligerent and bellicose, saying we have arrived, which again is an exaggeration, but we have to talk about it another day. Bottom line, there is no denying that the Congress party has to look within and say that you have been in opposition for 10 years. When you get an opportunity to win and you were the favorites in both the states and you fail remarkably, then you have to ask yourself, what are you fundamentally doing wrong? And I think one of them could be leadership. I'm not saying that it's only the leadership. It could be the leadership because, the leaders inspire. The leaders invigorate the cadres. The leaders actually bring the alliance partners together.
Sanjay, why don't you name Rahul Gandhi? I mean, he's the elephant in the room, right? He's the elephant in the room. Rahul Gandhi. You minus Rahul Gandhi and a lot of things possibly can change. And Ravi Srivastava will agree. Ravi, isn't that true? And that is why Arvind Kejriwal says we don't need an alliance in Delhi, no?
See, Deepthi, first of all, a misconception has been created that India alliance was headed by Congress. Will Congress ever showed that they are leading the alliance? It's a party of all equals. They had all everybody
Are you saying Arvind Kejriwal is equal to Rahul Gandhi, is equal to Mamata Banerjee, equal to Akhilesh Yadav, is equal to Uddhav Thackeray, equal to Sharad Pawar now? Is that what you're saying?
All leaders in India alliance are first among the equals. So there is no question of one having a bigger leadership than the another one. So they are all equals. All are capable. All have done well in their respective states. All have got the votes. So they are good. Now Mamata ji has got, she is a brilliant leader, a grassroots leader. And she has done very well in West Bengal. She has demonstrated to the entire country that how BJP can be decimated.
I really like the way, Sanjay, I really like the way that Ravi has, obviously said that everyone is equal here. There is no India alliance, Ravi Srivastava ji. Sabse pehli baat to ye. I do not know where is this India alliance. You get to meet here on television channels. You people call each other names, say a lot of other things. But Kishore Tiwari ji, आज आप बहुत चिंतन में हैं. देखिए, अब चिंतन का समय तो खत्म हो गया ना. अब तो एक्शन की बात है सर. इलेक्शन हार चुके हैं, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. और देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी खुद कहते हैं कि आइडियोलॉजी ही आपको आगे ले जा सकती है. आप आइडियोलॉजी छोड़ गए, राहुल गांधी के साथ चले गए, तो आप भी बर्बाद हो गए.
कितनी बातें, केवल एक फूलों का गुच्छा क्या दे दिया. कितने खुश हो गए.
कौन खुश है सर, कौन खुश है आज?
अरे व्यास साहब, आरडी, हमारे आरपी सिंह, सारे खुश हो गए. मैं अभी बता रहा हूं, इस चुनाव में हमको विपक्ष में बैठने का जनादेश मिला है और हमने वो विनम्रता से स्वीकार किया है. और आपने बीजेपी की बात कही, तो बीजेपी के साथ तो हम 28 साल साथ में रहे और हम कोई दुश्मन थोड़ी है बीजेपी की. वो सत्ता में है, वो अच्छे सत्ता चलाएंगे, हम उनको सहयोग करेंगे. महाराष्ट्र में आडवाणी जी का संकट बहुत बड़ा है. महाराष्ट्र के किसानों का प्रश्न है, बेरोजगारी का प्रश्न है. तो आज हमारे नेता मिले उनसे, नेताजी ने कह दिया कि अच्छे काम के लिए आपको सहयोग है, देखिए, हमको विपक्ष में बैठने का जनादेश है और विपक्ष की भूमिका में हमें रहना है, ये हमने तय किया है। केवल एक गुलदस्ता लेके चले गए तो अपने पार्टी बदल ली, ऐसा नहीं है। महाराष्ट्र का सबसे बड़ा विपक्ष शिवसेना है और रहेगा। और हम
लेकिन शिवसेना तो सर सरकार में है, असली शिवसेना तो सरकार में है। अब आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? अब तो लोगों ने बता दिया कौन सी असली सेना है, कौन सी असली एनसीपी है। और देखिए इस समय सुशील व्यास जी मुस्कुरा रहे हैं। अब मुस्कुरा तो आप भी रहे हैं और अच्छी बात है, मुस्कुराते रहना चाहिए। देखिए राजनीति में like Sanjay, you would also agree a week is a long time in politics. Before I come to you, I know you need to go, but I will quickly get Sushil Vyas ji to respond to this. Ravi, I'm coming to you and also to RP Singh sahab. But Sushil Vyas ji, एक हो सकते हैं आप और किशोर तिवारी जी, अच्छे दोस्त हैं वैसे भी।
दीप्ति जी, अगर एक ही होना था तो होता तो अलग क्यों होते। विचारधारा आदरणीय हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाला साहब ठाकरे की विचारधाराओं का त्याग उन्हीं के सुपुत्र ने किया, जो आज अपने आप को बड़े नेता मान रहे थे और आज जाके 3 वर्ष के बाद पता नहीं किस मूड में फडणवीस जी को बधाई दे के आए। So that is the part. There is no question of both the faction of Shiv Sena coming together, because now the people of Maharashtra decided the real Shiv Sena is led by Eknath Rao Shinde. He is the real person who can, take the Shiv Sena, his rank and file, and the ideology of Balasaheb Thackeray ahead. And we are strongly with our old allies BJP, and we will be successfully running the government. So there is no question of both the fraction of Shiv Sena coming together in near future at least.
Okay, you say there is no question, लेकिन उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है संजय। Before RP Singh साहब comes in and किशोर तिवारी जी भी वापस आना चाहते हैं, but Sanjay, there is some reason, no? It's not without reason that everyone, each ally, has told Rahul Gandhi in as many words, please do not believe that you are the big brother. You are not performing. You need to move. You need to create a space for other people to come in.
Honestly, Deepthi, in my opinion, and this is my political opinion, the Congress needs to be very pragmatic here, and I'll tell you why. Rahul is anyway the leader of the opposition. The Congress has the numbers to be the leader of the opposition in Parliament. In fact, even if the Congress had done well in Haryana and Maharashtra, my advice and recommendation to the Congress would have been, let there be a non-Congress leader who heads the India bloc.
You want a non-Congress leader to lead the India bloc, Sanjay?
I'll tell you why. Because it creates multiple voices for the India alliance. Rahul fights within Parliament, and a Mamta or an Akhilesh Ji or anybody fights outside of Parliament, with the Congress being a partner. And there is nothing wrong with that. You may be the bigger national party in the alliance, but it will be strategically very prudent, because there are multiple voices being heard in the media and by the people, where they are aggressive and vocal, and of course they will be synchronized. So I would recommend to the Congress who are watching your program, voluntarily let somebody else head India bloc. There is nothing wrong. Convert this so-called calamity into an opportunity.
But the Congress is a story of missed opportunities, no, RP Singh sahab. But you have a lot of reasons to smile today. Ravi, before I come to you and to Kishore Tiwari ji, RP Singh sahab, darwaze, khidkiyan sab khuli hai. Can Uddhav Thackeray still come back?
Deepthi, can I leave now?
Sanjay, just allow me 30 seconds. 30
well,
seconds.
Deepthi, राजनीति में हमेशा
Yes, RP Singh sahab.
जी, राजनीति में कब क्या होगा किसी को पता नहीं। दरवाजे खिड़कियां हमेशा सब खुले रहते हैं, और जो इम्पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं उसका नाम है राजनीति। So you can't predict what will happen in future, how things will shape up in future. But yes, Eknath Shinde ji is the Deputy CM. Eknath Shinde ji is the leader of the Shiv Sena today, and Ajit Pawar ji is the leader of the NCP today, and they have proven on ground that they are the real leaders and they are leading the real parties. One. Secondly, what happened with Shiv Sena actually? Shiv Sena lost on ideology. The basic ideology of Hindutva, they lost on that, and they were seen as second fiddle to Congress, and Congress ongoingly will abuse Veer Savarkar ji. and the vote bank of the Shiv Sena can't accept that. The Shiv Sena, I mean, the Uddhav Thackeray Sena couldn't accept this, that they are in line with the party which openly, ongoingly abuses Veer Savarkarji. So, and also that party which will speak against Hindutva, a party or the ideology which will speak against, or the gang which will speak against Hindutva. But yes, Uddhav Thackeray has met Fadnavis Saab, and then is a welcome step that if they want to play a role of a healthy opposition, is very good in the democracy, that opposition should play a good role. We also look forward for them to play a good role of a good opposition. But nothing more than that. I mean, as on date, right now, there's nothing more than that. But yes, give me a second. Yes, within the India Alliance, the partners are already on with the red flags. And within Congress party also, there's already a tussle which one can see. There's one man upship, I mean, one woman upship in the parliament today happening. Priyanka Vadra taking lead in the parliament on certain subjects, sometime Palestine bag, sometime speech.
Singh Saab, tell me something very honestly. Do you believe Rahul Gandhi is a stronger opponent for the BJP or Priyanka? Are you nervous that there is a Priyanka Gandhi in the parliament who's speaking about Hindus? Priyanka Gandhi carrying on her symbolism. She is not like Rahul Gandhi, no? Isn't that the real issue?
Rahul Gandhi lost 89 elections in row. I mean, in all they have lost, Congress has lost 89 elections.
Yes.
So, Congress has lost election in the leadership of Priyanka Vadra also. It's not giving good speeches or doing some stunts in the parliament that make you a good, effective leader.
Okay.
We have to go on ground. I'll give you one example and that will clarify. Give me another 5 seconds.
Yes.
Amit Shah ji, when was the president, he showed that party should go to the ground level, to the Panna Pramukh. Panna Pramukh mean to a page level of the voter list. I'll give you another example. Today we have more than 214,000 Panna Pramukh in city, Delhi city. So who can beat this machinery which has been built up by Amit Shah ji?
Yes.
So you need a different caliber to build up party and then build different caliber to build up narrative also.
I think that is true. And there are a lot of things, RP Singh Saab, that he has said, Kishore Tiwari ji, जो आपके लिए भी एक lesson है ना. चार्ज ये भी लगता था कि उद्धव ठाकरे बस अपने ही घर में बैठे रहते हैं, बाहर नहीं निकलते, ना लोगों से मिलते हैं, ना इंटरैक्शन होता है, ना उनकी समस्या सुनते हैं. अब आप कुछ भी कहे, जनता ने बता दिया कौन सी असली सेना है. तो देखिए, अभी भी समय है. अगर आपका हृदय परिवर्तन होगा तो सिंह साहब तो कहते हैं दरवाजे, सब कुछ, खिड़कियां सब खुले हैं. बताइए. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी भी नोट कर रहे हैं. बताइए किशोर तिवारी जी.
नहीं, मैं एक बात क्लियर कर देता हूं.
हाँ.
जो लोगों ने ईडी सीबीआई के भय से पार्टी छोड़ी है, हाँ, वो लोगों को हमारे दरवाजे कभी खुले नहीं रहेंगे, यानी नहीं रहेंगे. और अभी हमको उत्तरदायित्व दिया है विपक्ष का, तो उत्तरदायित्व हम पूरा करेंगे.
बट अगर आपको विपक्ष में ही बैठना था तो आप बताइए, आपने तो सरकार भाजपा के साथ इसलिए तोड़ी थी ना, आपने कहा मुख्यमंत्री बनाना है उद्धव जी को. अब ये बात तो हजम नहीं होगी. बट रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, डू यू रीड द राइटिंग ऑन द वॉल? Why don't you pick up the phone, call Rahul Gandhi and tell him that this is an SOS? या तो कुछ करिए या हट जाइए. Let someone else take over, no?
See, Congress very well knows what they have to do and they are doing it. And as far as the BJP's stand is concerned, that हमारे दरवाजे खुले हुए हैं, इनके दरवाजे कांग्रेसियों के लिए तो हर टाइम खुले रहते हैं, क्योंकि आज इनकी पार्टी की 1/3 लीडरशिप तो कांग्रेस से ही आई है. तो इसलिए मैं आपसे ये इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि एक फूलों का गुलदस्ता देके मिलने की मीटिंग में बहुत ज्यादा मतलब मत निकालिए. अभी 5 दिन पहले अजीत पवार हैप्पी बर्थडे अपनी पत्नी के साथ शरद पवार जी को दिल्ली में उनके निवास पे करके आए हैं. अपने नेताओं के साथ गए थे करने के लिए. तो इसका मतलब ये समझा जाए कि वो भी निराश हो गए इधर से और वापस अपनी रेगुलर एनसीपी में जाना चाहते हैं क्या? ऐसा नहीं होता है. ये सब जेस्चर्स होते हैं. हमारे
लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल तो एक जेस्चर भी नहीं दे रहे राहुल गांधी को. नो रवि, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. अखिलेश यादव को आप कहते हैं अखिलेश वखिलेश, अखिलेश कहते हैं कांग्रेस खत्म है. किशोर तिवारी जी, आप चाहे कुछ भी कहे, फूलों का गुलदस्ता गया है। इसी से कहा जाता है रिश्ते बेहतर होते हैं। और देखिए, तौसीफ खामोश हो चुके हैं। तौसीफ ने अपना आइडिया फ्लोट किया है। जब तक आप तौसीफ की बात नहीं मानेंगे दैट यू विल नॉट मेक ममता बनर्जी द हेड ऑफ द इंडिया अलायंस, he is not willing to talk to Rahul Gandhi. You know, gentlemen, it's been a fascinating conversation. I'm thanking all of you. We'll figure out what happens next as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned and the allies are